If you are using the saturation slider, you will see that there is always some unwanted side effect, like the brightness changes and they smear some. It's just not right. So what we're going to do now is we click on Alt S to create a new node. We go right click and then we go to the color space, and here we choose HSV, what stands for Hue Saturation Vibrance, I guess. Important for us is the saturation channel. And this is also the reason why we are going to disable channel 1, what stands for H, and channel 3, what's the V, so that we only have the saturation. Right click, go to channels, and then disable. Just check that you only have channel 2, what's the saturation channel, that only this one is enabled. And now you don't go to the saturation slider, now you go to the gain slider. When you go and adjust it, you will see that the saturation is much cleaner than you would get it from the saturation slider. So I hope this helps. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.